Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and now we can see here the new home screen folder on our device screen. If you want, by the same way we can add here more applications. Just hold it white. Just hold the application, and after that drag it again here to the folder. We can also rename this folder. Just click on the name and enter here for example the apps. Click to OK here, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed our device folder. Also we can move this folder here on the screens or also between the screens. Not the games, so just hold it and drag it for example here. If you want, we can move this folder here to the next screen, or just we can create the new screen with this folder. So as we can see, that's so simple. And if you want to remove the application from the folder, just hold the app and drag it here on the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, just hold it and drag it here to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.